Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing the current association so the location record can reset. First, put both AirPods Pro in the case and keep the lid open. Next, on your iPhone, go to Settings, then Bluetooth. Tap the info button next to your AirPods Pro and choose Forget this device. Do it now. If you see a prompt about Find My, temporarily disable it on your iPhone. This step removes the iCloud link and lets the device clear the stored location. Once you've forgotten the device, perform the factory reset to erase internal pairing data. With the lid open, press and hold the setup button on the back of the case for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. This action clears the internal memory and the previous Bluetooth identity. Make sure you stop holding when white flashes. Do not pair your AirPods Pro yet. Leave the case lid open and keep the case near your iPhone for the next crucial step. You finish by repairing so a fresh location record is created. Close the case, reopen it near your iPhone, and follow the on-screen prompts to pair. Make sure to enable Find My during setup. Once paired, open the Find My app and confirm your AirPods Pro appear with a current location after a brief sync. If they don't appear, toggle Bluetooth or iCloud off and on, restart the iPhone, then repair. This forces a new location upload and resolves most lingering sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.